We welcome you to the chemistry laboratory of Gyan Niketan Girls School. Today our topic is on properties of bases. The materials required are test tubes, test tube stand, dropper, sodium hydroxide solution and red litmus solution. This experiment is presented by Mrs. Archana Jha and assisted by Mona Hassan.
Today we study the properties of base. For this, we take the sodium hydroxide solution into test tube. I put few drops of sodium hydroxide in one test tube and in another test tube also. This is the sodium hydroxide solution. After that, we put with the help of litmus solution, we take it. We notice the reaction of base with the red and blue litmus. First, we put few drop of red litmus in this sodium hydroxide solution. What happened when we put red litmus solution in this basic solution? Then it turned into blue. It is completely turned into blue solution. It means base changed the red litmus into blue. But if we add, this is again the basic solution of sodium hydroxide. Now we add blue litmus in this basic solution. Then blue litmus remain the same. No change in color take place. It means red litmus change into blue in the basic solution, but the blue litmus remain as it is. Now the reaction of base with metal. For this I have taken the zinc metal, put the few pieces of zinc metal in this test tube and then sodium hydroxide in this solution. When sodium hydroxide is added, when sodium hydroxide is added in this solution, then
to show that sodium hydroxide reacts with zinc metal, we have taken soft zinc metal in a test tube. After that, we will add sodium hydroxide solution in the test tube. The sodium hydroxide solution reacts with zinc metal and hydrogen gas is produced. Sodium hydroxide is a strong base. It reacts with the zinc metal and there is a production of hydrogen gas in the test tube. So to show that hydrogen gas is produced during this reaction, we will bring a burning sprinter near the mouth of the test tube. The flame will burn with a pop-up sound. This pop-up sound indicates that hydrogen gas is produced in the reaction. We can observe the formation of small bubbles in the test tube. When we will bring the burning sprinter near the mouth of the test tube, the flame will burn with a pop-up sound. This pop-up sound is clearly audible and this indicates that hydrogen gas is produced in the test tube. Thus, our conclusion is that when sodium hydroxide reacts with the zinc metal, hydrogen gas is produced. We can clearly observe that formation of small bubbles in the test tube. Here, the small bubbles indicates the formation of hydrogen gas in the test tube. Thank you for watching this video.